What is up, you guys? It's Lex. Welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody's having an awesome day so far. Back with another fun little video for you guys. As you guys can see, the Evo is on the lift again. So there is a really loud transfer case noise that is absolutely driving me crazy. And this weekend, we're gonna be heading out to Bakersfield, California for Race War. So I'm gonna go ahead and lift the car up right now. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the transfer case. I'm gonna go ahead and drain all the fluids, do like a nice maintenance day today. But the most fun thing that we're gonna be doing is I'm getting a dog box for this car. So I've never installed a dog box, but today we're gonna learn how to do that together. But aside from that, you guys, look at our new t-shirts. How sick are these? I forgot to mention, I think I'm gonna be also doing a clutch job on this car. My clutch is pretty toast. So without further ado, let's get into it. Now that the lift is at Lex height, we're gonna go ahead and pretty much drain all the fluids.
Oh yeah, that's a gear.
Go show the camera.
Oh, I didn't know I was on camera. I'm awkward in front of the camera, guys. That's what are you laughing at? Dude, this thing focuses nicely. That's those are pieces of gear. Not good.
Oh, hello. Yes, sir. It's a trans or TP? Transmission? That's...
Here's.
Yeah.
I should start an Etsy jewelry making business of like parts that have fallen off my car.
I have literally valves and like other little springs and
Keychains and
trinkets
shit?
I wanted to make into a necklace.
Okay.
Look at that.
It's so satisfying. Damn.
And blame the tuner.
Yep.
That's all. Everything is wrong.
Everything's my fault, obviously.
I've never even launched the car.
So it looks like it's just the actual teeth have kind of sharpened, which is the wear that we're seeing and all the stuff that we're seeing over there. So it's not the ring and pinion teeth aren't broken, and that has nothing to do with the actual LSD itself. The LSD is the differential, so this has nothing to do with the differential. This is just a ring and pinion. But for the time being, because we do have an event and we're not going to make it in time if we actually pull this out. I mean, we are going to pull this out today to put the dog box in, but I think what we're going to do is we're just going to overfill it slightly, and we're just going to push in Lucas like straight 140, because we can't get AMSOIL in time or anything else, and shockproof isn't thick enough. So we're just gonna put the thickest fluid we can so it survives the weekend, and then next week we'll pull the transfer case as well.
just realized I've been forgetting to record myself. but not that you guys could see what I'm doing anyways, but. All right, so I just finished basically disconnecting everything from the top. I'm gonna go ahead and raise the car now so I can lower the subframe. That way I have access to remove the transfer case. So I'm gonna have some stuff to obviously loosen down there too. So let's do that. Please. I need my spotter for this part. So we were wondering whether or not we're gonna have to, you know, change the clutch, but I just found this, so. Focus.
That's Sarah organic material. Yeah, they can see that.
Lots of there's more organic material in there that I didn't remove.
A little bit this side. Pull it back a little bit more. Okay, now start. Start lower.
Oh my god. My camera's about to die, but you guys check out this clutch. Look at this.
Launch your car 7 times in a row. Remember, lock this out?
Yeah. I'm just being a princess right now.
It's gonna work better.
Got another clutch to last for next weekend. We'll see how long
And
this
then we're
will
gonna
last.
need another clutch next week.
Yeah, we're probably gonna need another clutch next week. Okay, now I'm taking off the old flywheel. Now I'm gonna put on the new flywheel. I'm gonna reuse these bolts. I'm just gonna put some red Loctite and torque them to 100 foot-pounds. New flywheel going on.
First, and then tighten on the head and then tighten that. You know what I'm saying? Because if you do it like that, you're not gonna know.
Oh damn it! I did it last time, but you might gotta do this. Yeah, I almost dislocated my fucking shoulder. It's the next day. Changed my outfit. Ronnie is manhandling the transfer case over there because he was gonna get frustrated if I put it on that jack and I slowly lifted it up. So we just grabbed it and put it back. So that's cool. And then, yeah, dog box is in. The camera died last night, so we're pretty much almost all done. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish everything else once he did that. Yeah, now I'll take it from here. Yep, definitely don't have the arm strength for that myself, so. To put the downpipe.
The downpipe, the north-south bar, which we just installed the torque solution mounts with the polyurethane bushings for legs. We're gonna put the starter back. We have to fill everything up with fluid. A red line, heavyweight shockproof is gonna go in the transmission. That's what we don't have synchro, so we just want to protect the dog gears. And then we're actually gonna put Lucas 140 weight in this thing. Just install the inland racing anti-lockout shifter.
Ooh.
So, but the way this works and the reason why this is essentially, preferred for a dog box, you don't pull this pin out, it functions like a normal shifter, right? As soon as you pull this pin out, you have to pull it up, put it in first gear. Then as soon as you shift into second, this drops down, so you can't money shift back into one. So it goes straight into third gear.
We are at Race Wars in Bakersfield at the Famoso drag strip. We brought the Evo out. We're gonna do some test and tune, some other fun stuff. So yeah.
Bikes are, you'll watch bikes run 6-7 second fast. That's how Ronnie could have been racing the GTR.
Yeah.
Fuck, I feel like a bitch.
Track food hits different, maybe because it costs so much. You have to enjoy every bite.
We've been having a little bit of a hiccup with the launch control. The first one we bogged really bad. Well, we bogged because we couldn't really get the car to not pull ignition timing. Basically the whole time I had my foot on the throttle. Came back, I was thinking of doing it with clutch switch. Obviously with clutch switch, you know, as soon as you're off of it, it's essentially off of launch control, so there's no way for me to slip it. And since it's an all-wheel drive car, we're either gonna bog really bad, or if it's super spicy, it's gonna break something. So I had to figure a way out to make the wheel speed work. So I think I figured it out. So if we have a successful launch right now, we'll run it to the 8th as hard as we can and then kind of coast, because we're in the 11.5 index, and obviously this car is pretty freaking fast. And yeah, we'll give you guys an update if it's fixed. If it's not, then we're just gonna do test and tune, and we're just gonna roll it tomorrow to see what we can do, and then we'll figure it out when we, you know, sometime tomorrow we'll figure it out. But we'll see. Let's see what's going on.
Yeah, I just took a fat nap. All right, guys, well, it's the end of day 2. Today was kind of the same thing as yesterday, so I didn't really film too much. Both of us got a chance to drive the car and really get it dialed in. So next time we'll definitely be able to share more of taking the car down the track.
Building and tuning these, supporting my customers, literally on the track, but never gone down the track myself. So, you know, it was a little bit of a learning curve, because launching the car on the track is quite a bit, not a lot, but quite a bit different than, you know, on the street.
And what we're used to.
And you know, if you don't have a staging brake, you just kind of have to use your hand brake kind of to preload the car and stage it in. But we both did pretty good. Lex did really good yesterday. Yeah, let's just say we're not gonna say anything until the car goes on. You know, we're gonna make a dedicated track video on the Evo stock motor before we do anything crazy to it. Let's just say it's possibly a 9-second car.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure that bell notification is turned on so you guys are notified every time I post a future video, and we will see you guys next time.